In this video, we will talk about how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome in laptop. Step 1. Change the default search engine in Chrome. Click on three dots. Scroll down. Select Settings. On the left side, select Search Engine. Click on Change. Select Google. Then click on Set as Default. Now, click on Manage Search Engines. Scroll down. Click on three dots next to Yahoo. Select Delete. Step 2. Remove suspicious Chrome extensions. On the left side, select Extensions. Look for unknown or suspicious extensions, named as Search, Toolbar, Assistant, or something like that. Click on Remove. If you don't recognize that extension, afterwards, restart your Chrome browser. Step 3. Reset Chrome settings. Click on three dots. Scroll down. Select Settings. On the left side, select Reset Settings. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will not delete bookmarks or save passwords. Here, you can see the information. Now, click on Reset Settings. Step 4. Uninstall suspicious programs. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Check the list for unknown or recently installed programs. Uninstall any suspicious program. Then restart your laptop. So that's how you can remove Yahoo search from Chrome in laptop. See you in the next video.